Hello, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. And today we have another 2021 Hot Wheels to unbox in today's video. Today we have the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. From the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics number 5 of 10 for 2021. It's a new for 2021 model. Pretty cool. 178 of 250 on the year. And it's from JK's. GRX20 is the number. 2020 Toyota GR Supra. Born 2020. Graz, Austria. The legendary Toyota GR Supra is back. The front-engine, rear-wheel drive, two-door hatchback is equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a powerful 335 horsepower, 3-liter twin-scroll, single-turbo, DOHC 24-valve inline 6-cylinder engine. Finally, a bespoke Rocket Bunny Pandem Aero Kit creates a jaw-dropping profile worthy of the legend's return. Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, number 5 of 10, and Hot Wheels Speed Graphics are real race performers that speed fast on track. Alright, liking the black rims and the white paint. Get this out of the packaging. Nice clean open. Been waiting a while to get this one open. Nice spinning wheels. Alrighty, here's a better look at the casting. Nice absolute zero white color. Loving the painted headlights. And the Toyota logo right in the center there. Really cool, and like the aerodynamics. Got black 10-spoke wheels. And there's a closer look at those racing decals there. Zoom in right there, you can read all of those. And the Hot Wheels logo's right there too. There's the interior, don't know if you can see that. Black interior. Liking the pinstripe, the blue pinstripe that's running along the side of this casting. And there's the back, nothing painted on the back. Like how it's like kind of lifted off the back. There's a nice spoiler there. Overall, a great looking casting. I'm really liking it. And it kind of like, stripe kind of like branches off into different sections here. And pretty cool. Liking it a lot. It's like a race car. And they called it a hatchback in the on the card. Interesting. Plastic base. All the white is die-cast. Interior. 2020 Toyota GR Supra, made in Malaysia with a 2020 copyright. This is a cool casting. Really liking it. Thank you to everyone that tuned in. Please subscribe for more. It'll really help me out. Thank you so much for 50 subscribers. Hopefully I can do a special soon. And that'll come out pretty soon, as I can get it out. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one.